Welcome to our channel. Want to find the best shortwave radio in 2025? Whether you're into world news, emergency preparedness, or just love exploring the airwaves, we've got the top picks for you. From budget-friendly to feature-packed models, we'll help you choose the perfect one. Links in the description. Let's jump right in and explore the best shortwave radios of 2025. Number 6. The Emgykit 4000 mm. Portable shortwave radio is a feature-packed, reliable choice for outdoor adventures, emergencies, or everyday listening. It supports NOAA, AM, FM, and SW bands, ensuring excellent reception and access to crucial weather alerts. With manual and digital tuning, finding your preferred stations is simple. What sets this radio apart is its Bluetooth speaker functionality, allowing you to stream music wirelessly. It also supports USB drive and TF card playback, adding extra entertainment options. For relaxation, the 7 natural sleep sounds and sleep timer help create a soothing atmosphere. Power is never an issue with its 4000 mAh rechargeable battery, which can be charged via Type-C, solar power, or hand crank, perfect for emergency situations. Additional features like a built-in flashlight, SOS alarm, and device charging capability make it a great survival tool. Users love its compact yet ergonomic design, strong reception, and versatile functions. Whether you need a dependable emergency radio or a portable entertainment device, the Emgykit 4000 mm is an excellent budget-friendly option. Number 5. The Kaito KA500 5-way powered emergency radio is a top-tier choice for emergency preparedness, outdoor adventures, and daily use. With AM, FM, 2-band shortwave, and 7 NOAA weather channels, it ensures you stay informed on news, entertainment, and critical weather alerts, especially with its PEAS, Public Emergency Alert System, functionality. What makes this radio stand out is its 6 power options: solar panel, hand crank, USB, AC/DC input, built-in rechargeable battery, and AA batteries, not included. No matter the situation, you'll have a way to keep it powered. Additionally, it doubles as a power bank, allowing you to charge mobile devices via USB. Designed for both indoor and outdoor use, the KA500 includes a 5 LED reading lamp, a flashlight, and an SOS beacon, making it a reliable survival tool. Its telescopic antenna enhances reception, while its rugged, water-resistant ABS construction ensures durability. Users love its strong build, excellent reception, and clear sound quality. If you need a dependable emergency radio, the Kaito KA500 is a fantastic investment. Number 4. The QODOSEN DX286 portable shortwave radio is an impressive compact radio that delivers excellent performance across FM, AM, LW, and SW bands. Powered by the TEF6686 DSP chip, this radio offers high sensitivity and selectivity, ensuring a clear signal even in areas with weak reception. The 360-degree rotating antenna allows for easy tuning, and the external antenna interface helps boost signal strength. Weighing only 5.27 x 2.99 x 1.18, the DX286 is highly portable, making it ideal for travel, outdoor activities, or casual listening at home. The backlit LCD screen is perfect for nighttime use, and additional features like sleep time, alarm clock, and 1000 memory storage stations make this radio both functional and user-friendly. Sound quality is strong, whether you're listening to FM, AM, or SW broadcasts, and users appreciate its ability to perform well with headphones. While the battery life could be improved, its portability and performance on all bands make it a great choice for radio enthusiasts on the go. For those seeking a reliable, all-around portable radio, the QODOSEN DX286 is an excellent option. Number 3. The Tecsun PL880 is a high-performance portable digital radio that excels in reception across AM, FM, longwave, shortwave, and single-sideband (SSB) bands. Powered by PLL synthesized dual conversion, it offers exceptional sensitivity and selectivity, ensuring clear signals even from distant stations. The radio features selectable bandwidth filters for AM and SSB, with 10 Hz tuning steps for fine-tuning, providing an excellent listening experience. Its compact design makes it easy to carry, and the high-capacity Li-ion rechargeable battery ensures long-lasting power. The included 20 FT wire antenna boosts reception, especially when used outdoors, making it ideal for serious radio enthusiasts. The radio also features an alarm clock and sleep timer, 0 120 minutes, adding convenience for everyday use. User feedback highlights the FM stereo audio quality, which is great with earphones or through the line-out jack to an external amplifier. The SSB reception is highly praised for its fine-tuning capabilities and adjustable bandwidth. Overall, the Tecsun PL880 is a premium, reliable radio for both casual listeners and dedicated hobbyists. Number 2. The CCRadio 3 is an excellent portable radio with impressive AM, FM, NOAA weather, and 2-meter ham band reception. Its twin-coil ferrite AM antenna offers exceptional AM reception, and traditional FM reception is incredibly clear even with weak signals. The added Bluetooth feature expands the radio's versatility, allowing it to pair with Bluetooth-enabled devices like smartphones or speakers for streaming digital content like podcasts and radio shows. Sound quality is superb, with clear, accurate voice reproduction that makes listening to your favorite programs feel immersive and engaging. The NOAA weather band and weather alerts are essential for emergency situations, providing real-time updates on disasters and local weather, while the 2-meter ham band offers additional communication options for emergencies. Additional features include 5 memory presets per band, a clock, alarm, sleep timer, and an adjustable display light. With an impressive battery life of around 250 hours and a 1-year warranty, the CCRadio 3 is a reliable, feature-rich radio for everyday use, outdoor activities, or emergency preparedness. Number 1. The Raddy RF900-9 is a powerhouse radio that covers a broad spectrum of frequencies, including FM, AM, SW, SSB, VHF, UHF, AIR, CB, WB, and SSB bands. Whether you're traveling or tuning into international broadcasts, the radio's versatile frequency range ensures that you're always connected. The dual knob tuning offers precision adjustments, and with the rear antenna tuner, signal clarity is top-notch. The dual screen setup is one of the standout features. The main screen displays reception status, while the secondary screen shows signal strength, time, and a rhythmic light display in Bluetooth mode, enhancing the overall experience. The 5,000 mAh rechargeable battery ensures hours of uninterrupted listening, while Bluetooth and microSD card support let you enjoy your own music library. With 3 external antenna ports, VHF, UHF, SMA male, AM antenna, and 3.5mm SW. This radio delivers excellent reception in various environments. The 20-watt speaker and subwoofer provide rich sound quality, and the inclusion of headphone support allows for private listening. While the radio may take some time to master, its functionality and features make it an impressive and reliable choice for radio enthusiasts. Thanks for watching our Best Shortwave Radio 2025 review. We hope you found the perfect radio for your needs. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for more info. See you next time, and happy tuning!